What are we doing today?
We're going on a hike.
Okay guys, so we're about to go on a waterfall hike. We haven't brought you on a waterfall hike yet. Yeah, that's Shane's fit, the same thing that he always wears.
OOTD.
I'm wearing a giant t-shirt and some fun shorts, and I have my bathing suit underneath. And then probably not gonna wear shoes, even though I busted my toenail open on a waterfall hike.
Close up of the thumbnail.
Okay, should I show
toenail.
them?
Yeah.
Warning, if you don't like gross toenails, don't skip the next 10 seconds.
Ew.
Don't touch it.
Ah, gross.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go do a water hike. Blah, blah, blah.
We're doing a water fight. Quit horsing around, Brittany. Let's go.
We're gonna go do a waterfall hike right now, and then this vlog will probably. He doesn't like when I guys talk to you guys, but I think that he will like when we talk. So, it's gonna be okay. So then we'll bring you we'll do something else in this vlog too. I'm not sure if it's today or not because the weather's pretty poopy. That's why we're hiking because there's nothing else to do. So, how do you feel?
Like it's no more talking. Let's go.
Okay, bye. So we just got here.
Right when we got here.
And I opened the door and my leg got wet because
It's wet outside.
it's raining. And the ground is completely dry, like none of the mud is wet, so it hasn't rained all day. And of course, right when we get here, it's raining. So
What?
I think we're gonna wait a few minutes and see if it stops, yeah?
Yep.
We'll check back in.
Don't leave your valuables out or you're gonna get your car broken into. A PSA by a stranger.
Yeah, that's all that is car glass. It doesn't really hurt to walk on because
Just kidding.
because why?
Because it's tempered, and tempered glass doesn't break into really sharp shards.
Yeah, it's like little cubes. Are we gonna get lost this time?
We don't really know the way, so we kind of freestyle it every time we go. So we will find out. I think it's somewhere through this. See, Brittany, is it the well-trodden path or this brand new one that goes through the bamboo randomly, but it has the ribbon on it? Like, why?
Muddy. Every time we go on a hike, Shane walks really fast and leaves me in the dust. So I might get lost by myself because
Illegal.
Are you vlogging?
Yep, we're vloggers. If you go through that hole right there, you just save yourself like 2 seconds from going to the normal way. So parts of Jumanji with The Rock and Kevin Hart were filmed right here. And you can see this in the background of some of the scenes. I'll try to find a screenshot for you. And I thought it was funny when I was watching the movie because I was like, hey, I know where that is. This is it, guys. This is the waterfall that we're hiking to. So hop on in there and go for a swim, Brittany.
Okay.
Okay, Britt, go jump off of that rock wall into that pool down below. That's definitely not, yeah, jump down there. Brittany, no! Oh my God, it's only 1 foot deep down there, Brittany.
It's not really the waterfall. Prankta.
Brittany, wait, I didn't get a close enough shot.
Yeah, you're very close to my face.
Brittany, why do people do this? Huh? You couldn't just put it in your pocket? so cold and be like, I need this. And then 5 minutes in, you're gonna be like, I am sweating. I wish I didn't have the jacket.
I'm sweating.
Like Brittany's sweating in just her t-shirt.
I wish I was in the water now.
Yeah, so we're gonna go swim at the top. So we'll see you there. What are you doing down there, Brittany? You're supposed to be up here. Wah, wah. Okay, Brittany, now we have to climb up to the top.
That's all you.
How cold is it?
It's cold, but it's okay. It's way deeper off.
I know. Okay, dive in.
I'll hold my head.
Brittany, you look cool crawling out of the shadows.
Why did it get so dark in there?
I don't know, it's just where the trees are.
You said that was darker than when we came in?
Yeah. Brittany, we just got passed by people that don't even live here.
Yeah, I don't know how they did that. How did they go so fast?
Because they're not goofing around all the time.
Okay.
So we just finished the hike, and I'm having a snacky. I got some meat and cheese.
Well, we actually didn't just finish the hike. We just got home from the hike.
Yeah.
Same
And then I'm gonna go surf up north later. Brittany's gonna watch and film.
Yep.
From shore, so I'm gonna get some
And then we'll see the
clippies.
sunset from up North Shore, so maybe it'll be a good one. And then you guys can see it too. This is what Shane eats for a snack every single day. It's like keto crackers, which are like seeds and cheese and salami. Blech. And I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna eat a snack, and then I'll probably leave.
Are you gonna video in the shower?
No.
Oh.
Are you gonna video while you play video games?
No.
Okay, so we'll see you later. Okay, here is the fit. These super fun pants. They're from Amazon. And then bikini top from Stone Fox. On the road again. I'm sleepy.
It's actually faster to drive up the east side, so we're going to be going
scenic drive.
a scenic route.
Cool.
And Brittany will take some B-roll while we're driving.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
The sights and sounds of driving up the east side, which is me screaming at people for driving so slow.
It's really pretty road. It's like all jungly, and then it's like right
next
on
to the water.
The water too, and the water's really blue and clear. Well, not clear, but it's really blue and sparkly looking. You should go that way.
Too late.
Oh yeah, we're going the wrong way.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Going surfing.
Okay, so we're on the beach now. I don't really want to vlog because it's kind of awkward on North Shore.
There's cool people nearby and we don't want to embarrass ourselves.
All the cool kids come here and we're not that cool, so. Shane's setting up the camera right now, and then he's gonna go surf for a little, and then the sunset might be good. Hold on, I'll turn it around and show you guys. So all those clouds up there might turn all colors, but we will see. Shane's gonna go out there and surf the big waves. They don't look big right now, but. Okay, so this is gonna be kind of difficult because he's out there now and I don't even, it's so hard to tell which one he is. They all look so similar, and the camera, the lens doesn't zoom in that much, so they're still kind of like hard to see, and I'm like, ugh. So hopefully I even get a clip for this video, but we'll see how it goes.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so again, we did not film after he got out of the water because he
so
got
dark
out for a second and our friends were there and he said hi, and then they were getting back in, and then the sunset was like, you took a clip of the green flash, right?
Yeah.
So the sunset was like, he thought it was really cool. It was like, we didn't take photos or anything, so then he got back in the water, and then when he got out it was like dark, so we didn't film anything.
So now we're here.
So now it's the next day and
we're about to go diving, but I think we're not
vlogging this today. Sorry. So
before I was so rudely interrupted. So that's it, guys. Go down and smash the like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more vloggies from us. We're almost to 1,000.
Yeah.
We would like that.
Comment something. Comment what your favorite color is if you got to this far in the video. Okay, that's all the stuff we saw. Bye!